Okay, here we are up at Horseshoe Curve, and Sherry's hanging on to a new cast P3 there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the avalanche, and we're going to do a horn honk for old time's sake, for all the past horn honks that we used to have here. Okay, we got Darian up on the roof of the avalanche, and he's mounting a Leslie SL4T, which we're also going to blow here at Horseshoe Curve for old time's sake. These horns were famous because they were built for the Amtrak Electromotive Division SDP 40Fs. They're somewhat unique. They were only built for that particular engine, although they did wind up on some other railroads every now and then.